Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the garden hose. 50 feet expanding hose, water hose flexible, extra strange, fabric 5000D high temperature, latex and solid brass connector for car, garden, house and so many other action grounds. 9 functions spray nozzle and it's made by wholev. There it is. It comes with a plastic bag. It is a 50 feet expandable hose. It has a 9 function nozzle, ABS plastic hook, and a package box. And of course a user manual, of course. Oh yeah. And it is colored in green. It has a strong quality, premium 5000D fabric, high temperature, latex and solid 3/4 inches brass connectors. Will not break, crack, leak or corrode. Lightweight and agility, returns in seconds to 17 feet and only 4.9 lbs after water is out. Expand up to 3 times 50 feet with water pressure when in use. Ooh, and this is an upgrade product. 2018 improved design. Wow, second product power. Unlike cool water hoses, and it's longer, 35% longer as before, and the lifetime will gain 2. And now you can see the hose nozzle with 9 adjustable patterns: jet, soaker, angel, mist, center, full flat, shower, and cone. All brass connectors, excellent corrosion resistance and durable quality. And as you can see, you can turn this to make a more and less power supply. And there is a clip. This means that now if you lock this, the water will go instant out and it holds this in position, so the valve will be open and all the time until you are unlock this clamp, the water will flushing out. This is a connection. It is a speed or a instant connection with a rubber, and it has a good and easy grip. And it's a nice design, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Nice and so easy to use. Only rotate the front side to all of the functions. It is adjustable, easy, jet, soaker, angel, mist, center, full, flat, shower, cone. And there it is. This is the garden hose itself in green. Let's have a look how it connects. First step, unlock it by pulling it down and then lock the additional part in it. The solid brass fittings are able to disassemble, and you can fix some problems on your hose. And after this, you can reassemble the solid brass fittings, or you can remove and add another solid brass fitting. Inside is a heavy rubber, prevents wear and tear. And there are these 2 connectors for your spring device. It has 2 shapes, or it is 1 shape but 2 sizes. One is for the big and one is for the smaller part. And this has an instant connection too, and it has rubber inside. Because of this, it's not leaking anymore. Nice and easy to see and to use, as you can see. Only rotated right turn inside and job's done. This is nice, but it's heavy, really, but quality is heavy, as you can see. Let's have a look how we are replacing the solid brass fitting. Only hold it on the outside and then rotate the grip out, and then you're able to pull it a little bit until you can see the inner parts of the hose. Nice and easy to remove. Now you are able to pull out the solid brass fitting, and then let's reassemble it. There it is. There is the garden hose itself, and it's so flexible. So you have to pull a little bit and then push the rotation part back in position, and of course you have to reinstall the new or the old solid brass fitting. It is sealed by two rubbers too. And now let's get it back in position to make a fixed part. Good. Now rotate it clockwise until it matches immediately. Good job, and easy to do, really. And now let's go to the nature and have a look how it works. There it is, a water tap. Now we are going to assemble the garden hose on this water tap. Easy. First step, we will need the additional part. We will need this additional part to make a match about the nose and the water tap. Rotate it inside until it matches proper. Yeah, now it's time to get in the garden hose. Use the brass fitting and dock it with an instant lock. Good job. Ready to use. There it is. The hose is ready to get some water inside. As you can see, now it's only, I think, 7 inches or feet, 7 feet long. Let's have a look. Have a look here. Yeah, this place. Okay, and now we will get in some water. Oh yeah, it's time to get water inside the garden hose, and let's expand it now. And as you can see, now it is expanding so much. Whoa, it looks like snail. Really, really nice. Yeah. Whoa, godlike. It is growing, baby. It is growing fast and easy. Good job. Now let's have a look how it works. Now, as you can see, we are really far, far away. 50 feet expanding hose. Now let's check up the water gun at the front side. So let's go cone. Have a check with the cone setting and push the button. Now pull the trigger and have a see what's next. This is nice. Oh yeah. The pressure is nice. Let's go to setup number jet. Oh, this is a jet, as you can see. This is a long range. Far. This is a water gun. Now let's go to the next option. Oh, bubble. This is nice. Switch to, this was soaker, now angle. Oh, downforce. This is really downforce action. Next step. What is this? Yeah, this is the upper valve is open, and this was the boost jet. I don't know. Next step. Whoa, this is hard, strong, really nice, strong. Let's go to the next setting. Yeah, this is the upper valve. It is making a big hard water power. Now flats time. Yes, this is a flat. Oh yeah, flat power. Let's go to shower. Shower option. This is to have a shower. Oh, it's really like a shower. Nice. Nice and easy to use. Yeah, what's next? Oh, yeah. This is a cone again. So that it is. Nice and easy to use. And it is so expandable. 50 feet expanding hose. As you can see, this is all the way back to the water tap again. There it is. This is a long range, high reliable quality. Nothing is leaking, everything's fine. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time. Soon.